big trade.
Good morning, everybody. How is everybody doing this morning? Young Cryptic, Eric Smith, Chappies Crypto, Gustavo, Ian, Gray Wonder, Brandon T, Mile, Carl, Big Blaze, Janelle, JD, Peyton, Dave, Lecker, Crypto Chemist, yo, what is up? How is everybody doing this morning? Hopefully you guys all jumped on this ETH long. It took off like a wrecking ball. Just got out of a cold shower. Let's go. Me too, actually. Good stuff. Let me open up the Epic Pen, because I don't know why it doesn't just open up on its own, but we got to work with what we got, right? For some reason I can't figure that out. This voice mod thing opens up and I have to close it every time. But yeah, the Epic Pen just has a mind of its own. All right. So, you missed that ETH? Really? You're like the master of scalps. Shep, good morning. Long and short. Jumbo, Otto, Medea, or Mehdi and Ben. I'll just say Ben. Gray, you took that trade? Good stuff, good stuff. I mean, I wish it waited for us a little bit. It would have been nice to catch that in the live trade room, right? But it was nice. And Bitcoin's looking a little bullish as well. Finally hit our entry on Bitcoin. If any of you guys took the entry with me, old Ahab, yo. So Bitcoin's going up as well. We can let's take a peek at the trades real quick. So this is the key to being patient, right? So we were looking for that short trade all night. It finally hit, and then we hit take profit 1, take profit 2 didn't go. Never got anywhere close to our but we hit the aggressive short trade. It hit take profit 1. I don't think it hit take profit 2. I wasn't in on this short trade. This was more of an aggressive short trade, and I really didn't like it at the time. Our short trade on ETH never even came close, but the long trade on ETH is it's a ripper, right? And then our long BTC trade finally came out to play as well this morning. And these are all posted yesterday at 10 a.m., 9 a.m., right? So about 20 hours ago, got a conditional order, it ran fast, hit your max take profit, good stuff. Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, and the Bitcoin trade's about to hit its first take profit right now. The first take profit's 941. So look for it to hold these singles. But let's talk about ETH for a second. So with this, and I know it's boring, and Crypto Hustle, what's up? Lecker. Didn't get your limit filled on ETH, unlucky, should have market. Bearish Bull, what's up? Okay, so now we got some singles on. So this is what I'm looking at, right? So you could have tried the long. You could have tried the long from here to here. You could have gone from here to here. But I like to be patient and just wait for these trades to work up. If you miss them, sometimes that just happens. Peter, good morning. And so the easiest way is just to be patient and wait, right? Because there is volatility in the market right now. We're not having to take some of these scalps. The crypto chemist and I last night took a trade. I took a trade from 20 to 30. He took a trade from, I think, 26 to 36. So just a small scalp, but you know, if you're on 5x leverage and you make 5 points, that is 1%, right? And that's the whole point, is just to make 1% a day. So if you would have hit that, you know, you hit that a couple of times, right? If you're the crypto chemist, you hit it about 1,000 times a day. You know, you make 1% a lot. I did like how you know, you could have hit that entry here. This is our corner kick play, right? We see that we've got structure. We break below, can't form any structure. Come right back into the previous structure, and then we break the structure, right? And then someone goes, go, right? I won't keep going, but you know how it goes, right? Like America beating Mexico in the Gold Cup, you know? It was pretty amazing. But this is the whole point of being patient. And in order to be patient, or in order to help you be patient, technical analysis. Ooh. Good morning. So you're looking for you're looking at the TPO, and you're seeing where value is at from the previous day, right? Got inside day, and as soon as we break up outside of value, finally, right? We had a little tester here. This is the trade that I was talking about, that the crypto chemist and I were taking. And as soon as we finally get some gas, we go, right? So we built it up. It's like a you know, kind of a huge long corner kick, right? That got blocked again, and then they finally put the rebound in the back of that net. WSC morning over on Twitch. Henna, good morning. If I get your names wrong, guys, just tell me. Be like, hey, you're dumb. Stack, Aaron, good morning. And so this is the whole thing about being patient, right? If you're not patient, you're gonna get eaten up. It's just you know, a matter of time. It does. Is this what level is this? Let's see. This. Oh, so it looks like it did that aggressive short ETH trade did actually make it down to take profit too. If any of you guys took that that aggressive short, good job. I didn't take it. I was being a little chicken. I was also trying to record that video. What did you guys think of that video? Pretty it was pretty rough, I know. And I kind of sounded robotic. It's tough for me because, like, you know, I get my energy off of you guys, and so without you guys in there, it's just like, you know, I'm like, I am a robot. This is how to do this. 100 Rolex, good morning. Yeah, don't forget to bang that like button. Apparently I'm long on ETH from 25.15. Shit. Winning. Where's that Charlie Sheen at? Munners, afternoon. Andy Carlson, good morning. So what do we do now, guys? Right? We stayed patient all day. We didn't get caught in the chop, right? Some of us did, but you know, that's a learning experience. You got to pay for your education, and that's how you pay for education when you go trading in the market, is you give the market maker your money. And so we stayed patient, and now we've got these single prints above. Oh, got the allergies again this morning. So now we have single prints above. Jens, yo. Sorry guys, I'm dying. These allergies, sneezes are crazy. So now that we have single prints, we need to identify where some buyers are going to come in. So we look at our bid and ask profile, see a little bit of volume here, a lot of volume here, but that's below the singles. That would be back in the structure. We see some volume here. So basically from here to here is where we're looking at some volume. So from 55 to 70. So as this thing pulls back, if we see it start to reject in one of these levels, we know that that's initiated buying stepping up. So we can get in on that, put our stop right below it, right? Because if it keeps going down into the singles, we know we were wrong, so we got to get out. And that's how we manage this from here. Take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's just shy of our first take profit, and it's pulling back into these singles, right? So you got to be careful with this. Almost back to our entry, actually. But Bitcoin was the same idea. It's just I waited a little bit longer on Bitcoin than I probably should have, right? But that's that's the difference between here, because we got that deeper pullback, right? That's where we hit that short on Bitcoin. 37,375. It didn't go that low, did it? Oh, I guess it did. I got out way early on that short then. It's interesting. I guess I didn't see it. I don't know. I feel like, I mean, this is Bybit data. I feel like the Bybit data sometimes is different on EXO charts than it is on the actual Bybit chart. Weird, because I don't remember it going down this low. Does anyone have their Bybit chart open? If you can bust open your Bybit chart. Steve, hey. Andy's, what's up? Christian, looking for a scalp on ATVI? Yeah, we'll take a peek at that. If anyone has their Bitcoin or their Bybit chart open, can you guys take a peek at the low? Because I don't remember my Bybit chart going down this low last night. Was that another potential corner kick, the last structure? Yeah, exactly. It was the thing is so so you have structure here, right? We break down, get some excess, right? And so we had this kind of weird little thing right here, but we come back up, come back into structure, do a little pullback, and then we take off. So the best entry right there would have been 38,209, right? You'd have been sitting pretty right here. Alex, check the low of BTC USDT from last night around 4 a.m. around like 3 a.m. I guess. Hi Brad, can I use your current chart on GoCharting? Yeah, for sure, bro. Of course. 37,375. I don't have it. I don't have my Bybit open right now because maybe I just hit profit and just close. I mean, maybe I was just asleep, half asleep. So who knows? All right. Oh. Christian, what are you looking at? ATVI? Oof. Where are you trying to scalp to? We're back above value. I would wait for a pullback. Unless you're trying to scalp a short. Is there some news? Probably some news, if I had to guess. US markets are bouncing a little bit. Thanks, Bearish. Appreciate it, man. It's way lower than Binance. Binance went to 37. Yeah. Yeah, the ADP jobs report came out. Yeah, and it was a miss. A miss-a-rooski. Right? You know what? I haven't had a bang in a while. I can't even remember how many days now, and I feel good. I feel fine. Temras, what's up? Yo, Bearish, I appreciate it, man. And that's a whole, that's my whole goal is just nobody out there really tries to help people not trade. You know what I mean? Everyone's just like, yeah, you got to trade, you got to trade. If you want to make money, you got to trade. But really, if you want to make money, you got to be patient. Like I always say. Oh, Luis, what's up, man? Hello, darkness, my old friend. Been waiting all day for the breakout. Get a call and missed it. But you know, like that's the whole thing is like, if you just spend, you know, if you just spend, I mean, fuck, if you just spend like 90% of your time just charting, watching the charts, and then setting up good analysis, and then setting some alerts, you could spend most of your time off the charts, right? Just set some early alerts. So if you're on, let's say you're looking for this Bitcoin trade, right? And we were talking about it yesterday here at 10 o'clock, right? And so we're looking for this 7 number to break, because we know we got stops lined up here, here, all the way up to here, right? We got above them, and we're kind of just fizzling out. But you know, looks like maybe some buyers, some sellers tried it here, couldn't hold it down, so hopefully we can pop them. But what you do, if that's the level you're looking for to break, find some areas to decide, okay, you know, these are the areas that I need to get alerted at, right? So, because right here it came almost right to it, didn't hit it, because I think that entry 720, my entry 720 at least. 37,439, nice. Even got a tasker to get my phone to go all ballistic if an alert goes off. Nice. Yeah, I mean, there's tools out there. Someone was talking about a tool. Someone was talking about a tool yesterday that like about I think it was Chappies. Maybe like if we can get it sent to our Apple Watch. So I got my Apple Watch on the charger right now, and I'm gonna see if the trading view alerts come through on there, and I'll let you guys know. But you know, set some alerts, right? So here's the POC of the previous day. So we were talking about this around 10 o'clock, right? So as it comes up, it hits the POC, you set your alert, POC, it goes up, you take a look at the chart, right? You look at it, you're like, maybe if this breaks out, right? It goes right up to the value area high, doesn't go, right? You know, around 5 o'clock, or yeah, around 5 o'clock is not the best time to be trading anyways, because that's the Asia Open, and you know, there's some sneaky stuff going on. And then for your short trade, we're looking at this 37.9 level, right? So you set that just set your alert on the value area low. So this thing comes down, taps the value area low. You're thinking, okay, it's tapping, and you're just looking for a good spot to get in. So we see that we're forming a little bit of structure here. We want to say, you know, even if you get in a little bit late, you're like, okay, this is the area I want to get in. It comes down, boom, you're in. Stop loss goes above structure, maybe at the VWAP, get a little pullback, and then a flush, right? Hopefully you got out, comes back. Same thing up here. You've got your alert on the POC, the new POC, right? Comes up, hits your alert goes off, you jump on the computer. This is an hour and a half, right? Your entry is not till here, or your entry was actually, I mean, my entry was actually up here, 3720-ish. And so you got some time, right? And even if you get on the computer, your alert gets hit at the POC, and you're thinking, holy shit, that's a corner kick. Let me just kick this thing in and call it a goal. And then you catch all of it. And then you send me a message like, hey Brad, my entry was way better than yours. What's up? You're slacking, bro. Right? And then you're gonna be like, then I'm gonna be like, oh no, no. I'm gonna have to check it out, right? Because that's the whole point. We're a team, you know. But yeah, that's all the time I have, right? These morning streams are just you know, just quick, easy, and to the point. So hopefully you guys learned something, right? Learned how to stay patient. That's the overall goal of these streams, or these trades, is just to be patient. That's why a lot of times, you know, people are looking at them and they're thinking, well, why the fuck isn't he getting in down here, right? Because I want to nail the bottom. And you know, that's just not, that's because easily, right? You've got all this resistance, right? You get in here. What happens if it bounces off the VWAP? Or what happens if it bounces off the point of control and it continues down? Right? What happens if it gets rejected? The goalie blocks it, kicks it across the field, right? All the defenders are up, and boom, easy goal going the other way, right? So, thoughts on BTC potentially running those stops? Oh yeah, I mean, that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this. Waiting for these stops to get ran back up into value now that we're above. But if we can't, we'll probably come back to this. I want to see it hold this 38,650 level. That's value very high from the previous day. But yeah, so that is all the time I have. I'm going to jump over to our live trade room. If you are interested in our live trade room, go to www.thetradevets.com. Click on the live trade room and scroll down and sign up. See these really cool pictures that James made. You can also sign up for the TPO bootcamp. We're back on August 30th, the last week of the month. The class is back on by popular demand, right? A lot of people want to get back into it, so we've got the signups on there. And then I think we'll keep running the bootcamp probably, probably once a month going forward as we grow, if people are still interested in it. It is a good base. If you haven't had a chance to check out the bootcamp, I definitely recommend it. It's not going to turn you into a risk manager right off the bat, but it will help. Other than that, you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see everyone this afternoon, and I will see the rest of you guys on in the trade room.